You probably tried to shade smooth only to find out that there's no more auto shade smooth option over here. In Blender 4.0 you can right mouse click and click on shade auto smooth and everything will work perfectly fine. In Blender 4.1 however you notice that the auto smooth option is gone. There's only shade smooth by angle. So if we press shade smooth and go over to the object data properties tab, we also see that the normals are gone. So we cannot use that function anymore. There are two ways to fix this problem. Right mouse click on your object, shade smooth by angle, and right here you can deselect keep sharp edges and set the angle to 30. 30 is the standard auto smooth angle we had in Blender 4.0. So now this is smoothed by angle, but if you add anything to the object you might have to do it again. This is actually not the best method. It's a better solution to add a modifier. Go over here to the modifier tab, select add modifier. Under normals you can find smooth by angle or you can just type it. Then you have to click the button ignore sharpness and now everything will work fine. Now you might have to shade this smooth as well over here in order to get this to work, but this is basically the setup to auto shade smooth. Now one problem with this is that if you add a bevel modifier for example, the smooth by angle should actually be dropped over here, because as you just saw, here we have some shading artifacts, but the smooth by angle should always be at the bottom. So that is something that is really annoying because each time you add a modifier you now have to drag this smooth by angle to the bottom. But aside from that, this mimics the auto smooth option. Now you're probably wondering, why did they do this? The previous auto smooth worked fine. I agree, it was quite chill to work with and I like not having to spend extra time, but there are 3 reasons why Blender changed this workflow. Blender is trying to become industry standard and this is the way other 3D programs use auto smooth as well. It works better when exporting meshes to different programs. Apparently the auto shade smooth option seemed to break the mesh when you export it to something like ZBrush for example. And now it should work fine. And reason number 3 is finer control over the sharpness and roundness of your edges. To be honest, I can see how this new feature can be beneficial, but I would also like the option to have the auto smooth button back in the next version of Blender. Subscribe, and if you want to become an undeniable force in the 3D space, then I highly recommend watching this video next.